And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice on your key with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium remote start. I'm going to be working on a Hyundai Kona. It is suitable for 2018 through 2021 models. This product is 100% plug and play, you don't need to cut any wires, and it works with your original key. You don't need to have extra on your keychain. In case if you have a push button start system in your car, we have a different product for you. And this specific model, we're going to be working with the traditional key. Now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get two sets of wires. They both are T-harnesses. And a module. For this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. One is down and everything else is up. So now we're going to be disconnecting this black connector and the blue one next to it. I'm going to press a little pin and pull it out. Let me show you. We're pressing this pin over here and pulling the connector down. Same thing with the blue one. So we're going to be connecting this MyKey Premium T-harness. These two connectors that we just unplugged, we're going to plug them into here. And then these two will go back into the car's module. They're both different sizes, so you're not going to mismatch them. The smallest one is the blue one, so we'll connect it first. Just like that. And the black one is the biggest one, connects last. So now, these two connectors will go back into the car's module. Just like that, make sure it's all the way in and make sure it clicks. Just like that. And now we have this data connector. You could leave it hanging for now. Now we're going to remove the seal. Just like that. And we're going to be removing this panel. For this, you're going to need a trim removal. I would say start from the bottom. Just like that. Basically just stick it in and twist it. And use your fingers to pop the panel out. Just like that. Now we're going to remove these two screws. Just like that. And now we're going to unscrew these two screws. One over here and one right over here. So now we're going to pop this panel out, and to do so we're going to start from this side, just like that. And then to pop this, there's like a little small clip. Just get underneath here, just like that, and pop this side too. And now we're gonna pop the right side. And the right side, use two hands. Should be nice and easy. Now we're gonna pop this panel out. Just go from behind the panel. Just like that, nice and easy. And we're gonna have to unscrew 2 screws, one here and one over here. Now the wheel is locked. I'm gonna put the keys into the ignition, just like that. Turn it so you have access to the first screw. Now turn the other way, and you got the access to the other screw. And now we're going to be removing this panel. Just grab it with your hands, pull it sideways, play around with it, and pull it down. So now we're going to disconnect this connector, and all we're doing is we're going to press this black pin just like that, and we're going to pull it down. Just like so. I'm going to connect it to MyKey Premium harness, and the other side we're going to put it back into the ignition side. So when you're pressing it up, it'll be a little bit stiff. All you have to just play around and put it up. Just like that. Make sure you hear the click. That means the connector is all the way in. Now we're gonna run this wire all the way to the passenger side, right through over here. So we're gonna just leave it like that, and we're gonna need it on the other side. For in the passenger side, we're gonna remove this panel. Open up a little bit, and now the panel will come out. Now that you have the access from behind the panel, we're gonna reach for the wire that we just ran from the driver's side. Just like that. And now we're going to connect it to MyKey Premium module. Make sure you connect the data connector first, and the power cable that came from the driver's side connects last. And make sure you press it all the way in, otherwise it's not going to work. Make sure it's all the way, and make sure it clicks. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice on your key with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. And once you inside the car is still running. It's in the sleeping mode. You're gonna have tire pressure lights on, which is totally fine. So you have to put the key into the ignition, press the brake, put in gear, and you're good to go. Once you've tested everything, make sure you put everything back together. Use this video in reverse so you have an idea how to put everything back together. And also a quick note for the AC and heater unit, make sure you pre-switch everything the way you want it before you shut your car off, so then when you remote start your car, every setup will be the same thing as you left the car. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Leave a comment down below if you use this video to install the remote start in your Kona. Also, if you have a Kona with a push button start, click right here. And cheers.